Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 1.2 question number 2. Represent minus 2 by 11, minus 5 by 11, minus 10 by 11 on the number line. Let us draw a number line, and here we will get in the middle it is 0, this is 0, and this point is 1, and this point is minus 1, right? Now here you see that the denominator is 11. That means you have to divide this 0 between 0 and 1, 11 into 11 equal parts, and this one also minus 1 and 0 into 11 equal parts. Let us divide this into 11 equal parts. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. You see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11, right? Here also find 11 equal parts. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 equal parts, right? Now you will find that if we represent this one 11 equal parts, that means we can write here as 11 equal parts. One part is minus 1 by 11, right? This is minus 1 by 11. This one is minus 2 by 11. This part is minus 3 by 11. This is minus 4 by 11. This one is minus 5 by 11. This one is minus 6 by 11. This one is minus 7 by 11. This one is minus 8 by 11. This one is minus 9 by 11. And this part is minus 10 by 11. It is minus 10. This part is minus 10 by 11. And this one is minus 11 by 11. Minus 11 by 11, and that is equal to minus 1, right? Now represent the value minus 2 by 11. This one is minus 2 by 11. This part, suppose this is a point, is minus 2 by 11. Minus 5 by 11. You see this is minus 5 by 11. That means this point, that is B, is minus 5 by 11. And minus 9 by 11. Here you see minus 9 by 11 is this part, this point, that is C point, is the minus 9 by 11. Here you see this is the negative sign and this is the positive side. This is the negative side, this is the positive. That is A point represent minus 2 by 11. That is from 0 to here is the minus 2 by 11. And from this point minus 5 by 11, that is from 0 to this distance is minus 5 by 11. And this one C, that is minus 9 by 11, from 0 to here it is minus 9 by 11. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.